Hello! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 645 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. Let's start by pressing and holding the up button to open the menu. So let's press and hold it. Once the menu appears on the screen, make sure that the watch face option is selected. If it's not, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. Select the watch face option, then press the start/stop button to enter. And here we can scroll through the list of watch faces like this by using the up and down buttons. Now, find the watch face you like to use on your watch, select it, for example this one, then press the start/stop button, then select the apply option and press the start/stop button to apply it, like this. You can also customize the watch faces, so we can open the menu, open the watch face menu, find the watch face we want to customize, then press the start/stop button. Instead of selecting apply, select the customize option, press the start/stop, and here we can customize a couple of options. As you can see, we can select the dial, so basically we can change the type of the dial like this. Then we can press the start/stop. Next we have hands, we can customize the hands like this, then press the start/stop. And another option is data, and here we can customize the widgets, basically what kind of widget is gonna be on the watch face, for example battery, then press the start/stop. And we have next widget, for example calories, next one, and the last one. Okay, that's the data. Again, we have below data we have accent color, and here we can change the color of the hands, as you can see. And then we have background color, and we can change the black and white like that. And once you're done, select the done option and press the start/stop button to apply your watch face like this. Okay, and that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.